Sportatorium come alive for Cedric Alexander, one of the most popular wrestlers anywhere in the Mid-Atlantic. Brad Stutz and Lee Valiant in the booth right here for what's going to be a hard-hitting, action-packed matchup. Lee Valiant, two guys who I know you know very well, the very popular Cedric Alexander and Brandon Day from Virginia. This one right here could steal the whole show.
I guarantee that it probably will, because Brandon's a seasoned veteran and Cedric is too. You know, Cedric, he's seasoned and well-rounded, and I know both these guys very well. I can tell you, Brandon Day and me, we got kicked out of promotions back years and years ago, and I definitely know he's got a temper, and Cedric's got a world of fight in him.
Brandon Day competed in CWF Mid-Atlantic here years ago, back about 2005, 2006, has recently returned.
Big drop kick.
Boy, it don't get much better than locking up with Cedric Alexander in your first match back. Cover, only a count of two there from referee Charles Richardson.
Neither one of these guys are slouches, and I tell you, you're gonna get hard hitting, and you're gonna get your money's worth out of this match. I truly feel that. And Charles, he better keep a close eye, because this could get out of control when tempers get heated. Because Brandon Day he's not one that you want to really get angry. He's definitely hard hitting, and he's very that very Japanese stylish. He's going to take it to you, and Cedric, he's not going to back down. Both of these guys, I truly intend. This might be my favorite match of the night, Brad Stutz.
It's going to get violent here. Cedric Alexander, no, he did not get that big drop kick in the corner. That big flying drop kick in the corner will knock your lights out. Great move there from Brandon Day. Oh, God!
Big mafia kick took Cedric's head off, and he is on the floor.
Cedric down and hurting as Brandon Day looks intense in the ring. He's going to follow him out.
So Brandon, he's not one to take lightly. Brandon will take you apart bit by bit, as we just seen. He get a hot shot move on Cedric Alexander we went for a springboard, and Brandon Day took his head off with a mafia kick.
Back in the ring now, good move from Day. You're not going to get that pinfall or that submission on the floor. This is going to be a big win for either man here, as both of these guys so well respected and so highly ranked all over CWF Mid-Atlantic and the entire region. When we had the opportunity, cover here from Day.
And you couldn't ask for to have two better guys on the card, given it, you know, they're going to give you a good fight, and that's definitely what has happened here. And
absolutely, when we had the opportunity to book this matchup, all of us jumped at the chance and salivated over the opportunity to see these two go at it. Two absolute stars in our industry. Brandon Day screaming at Charles Richardson, but only gets a 2 count. And now we're going to see what Brandon Day does when he takes over. Now we're going to see what this bad dude from Virginia has got on the offense. We've seen him hit that big mafia kick, but this is going to be our first chance in a long time to really see Brandon Day try to control an opponent and try to hurt somebody.
I tell you, Brandon seems like he's got Cedric well scouted. Big German.
Gorgeous.
Wow, he's definitely got Cedric scouted. You know, like I said, these two guys, they're not going to back down from either one. And Brandon looks like he's beginning to get a little frustrated there. He thought maybe he had Cedric, and Cedric's he's gonna fight. He's not gonna die.
Of course, both these guys travel all over the Mid-Atlantic region and all over the country. We've seen Cedric Alexander, big chop. We've seen Cedric Alexander on Ring of Honor TV, make appearances for Pro Wrestling Guerrilla over in California, worked for dozens and dozens of regional promotions. Brandon Day has made recent stops in Ring of Honor as well after a run he had there back in 2009. Big strike there from Brandon Day. Now we're seeing this offense from Brandon Day. Big sliding D clothesline.
He could have easily took Cedric's head off right there. Cedric's showing a world. He's not going to give up on this. Both of these guys got a lot going on right here. This is neither one of them's going to give up or lay down for the other one. And I definitely feel that, in my opinion, maybe it has to go to Brandon Day.
Well, they both avoided big strikes until Cedric just nailed a possible KO right there in front of the 150 plus here that have jammed the Mid-Atlantic Sportatorium. Cedric Alexander now pulling himself up, looking for another big move. Brandon Day trying to shake the cobwebs out. Match could be over with the next big move, Lee Valiant.
Cedric is known for those kicks, and that's all it took was one to turn the tide right here. Brandon was in control, and Cedric landed that one big roundhouse. Now, this is back. Oh, big clothesline.
Brandon Day was still knocked a little loopy there. He needs to shake out whatever's stuck in his head, those cobwebs, those stars that he's seeing. He needs to shake them out. Cedric with a cover.
1, 2. Oh, big kick out. I thought that was over, Brad.
Brandon Day is going to have to get back in the game here.
Definitely Brandon is reeling from that, and the crowd is firmly behind Cedric right now. Brandon's got to get it together if he wants to, because when Cedric gets going, there's not too many people that can stop him.
Up and over. Great move. Good Lord, flying clothesline. My God
1,
in heaven.
2. Oh. Brad Stutz, I am on the edge of my damn seat watching this match. I am, whew.
These two are absolutely leaving it all in the ring tonight. Cedric might be calling for the brainbuster. Yes, he is.
This is big move, Brad. He's put so many people away with this.
You've talked about how it's a paralyzing move. Brandon Day avoids it.
Oh.
Heads up. Over the shoulder. Spins out, drop the man face first. Great move. You crash into the canvas like that, it knocks the wind out.
It's almost an airplane out of gas type maneuver, power slam type maneuver. And Cedric, he's digging down deep. Both of these guys, they're going to be digging down for it's going to take a lot to finish one of these guys off.
If you look at Brandon Day's face, you can tell where Cedric Alexander makes his money. It's those hard kicks. They disorient you. And ever since Cedric hit that big roundhouse, Brandon Day has been a step slower, and he has not had that spring in his step that he had before.
He just rocked Brandon with that forearm.
Double knees in the chest.
This 1, 2, whoa.
I would have believed that was it.
Oh.
Cedric is down. The referee is down. Brandon Day is up.
Brad Stutz, I definitely thought this was over. Could this be it? If Cedric, he better watch, because Brandon's looking to end this. That was a big move, and I don't know if Cedric can recover.
Brandon Day absolutely measuring Cedric Alexander here. Rolling forearm, no. Rolled through. Oh, boy.
Big brain buster, Brad. Could this be it?
Dead center of the ring.
3, oh.
He got him. Perfect ring positioning and a huge victory from Cedric Alexander.
One hell of a match, Brad. These guys left it all in the ring.